Do you ever feel like time just slips away? What if I told you just 15 minutes can completely change your life? We spend hours on our phones scrolling through social media. But if we take just 15 minutes to do something more productive, we can improve our life in ways we never imagined. So let me show you 7 powerful ways to use your 15 minutes wisely. Let's start with the point number 1. Reading just 15 minutes can transform your knowledge and your mindset. Instead of scrolling through random content, just pick up a book, an article, or a blog on topics like business, self improvement, technology, fashion, or lifestyle. It doesn't have to be complicated, just something that adds value to your life. But I believe by reading regularly, you will develop better focus, learn new ideas, and expand your thinking. Over time, these small short reading sessions will turn into powerful habit that makes you smarter and informed. So, next time, whenever you have 15 minutes, just grab a book and start reading. Let's come to the second point, write down your thoughts. Writing is the greatest way to clear your mind, to bring clarity in your thoughts in just 15 minutes. You can write about your feeling, how you are feeling today, things about grateful for today, your goals, your plans, or if you are not interested to do any of these things, you can just make a plan to do list for the day. Even if you don't like writing, just try. It doesn't have to be perfect. Simply putting your thoughts on the paper, it can reduce your stress, improve your focus, and just simply help you to understand yourself more than you think. I have been writing less than a year and it brought massive positive changes in my mental well-being. So it can also your mental well-being change. So please think positive, write, try to understand yourself. Simply put your thoughts on the paper and try to understand yourself. Let's come to the point number 3. A lot of people feel overwhelmed because they don't have any plan. Taking just 15 minutes to organize your day can make a huge difference. Here I am telling you how you can organize your day. Write down your top 3 priorities for the day. Make a to-do list of tasks you need to complete. Set reminders for important work. When you plan your day in advance, you save the time and reduce stress. It helps you focus on what truly matters and makes you more productive. So before you jump into work, take only 15 minutes to plan and it will save you hours later. Now let's come to the point number 4. Take a short walk. You might have heard sitting all the time is bad for health, right? So just 15 minute walk can do wonders for your mind, for your body. Walking helps in improving blood circulation and energy level, boosting creativity and mood, reducing stress and refreshing the mood. Let me tell you, you don't need a gym. Just step outside or walk around your home. Put on your earphones for some beautiful music or podcast, or just enjoy your short break. A simple habit like this can improve your mental health or physical health over time. Now let's come to the point number 5. Take care of your plants. Spending time with the plants can be incredibly relaxing. If you have plants at home, you need just 15 minutes to water them, or you can clean their leaves, or you can just sit near them or enjoy their presence. Studies show that plants brings positive energy, reduce stress, and a fresh air quality. If you don't have any plants, consider getting at least one, because a small plant on your desk or in your room can make a huge difference in your environment. Taking care of plants is a small but powerful habit that helps you feel more connected to nature and brings peace to your mind. Now let's come to the point number 6. Do some stretching or yoga. You don't need an hour to exercise. Just 15 minutes of stretching or yoga can make you feel amazing. Some simple stretches can make your body more flexible, reduce body pain and stiffness, improve your postures and blood flow. If you feel stressed or tired, try deep breathing or some simple poses of yoga. These simple habits will make you feel refreshed, energetic and active throughout the day. Now let's come to the last point but not the least point. Watch something funny. Laughter is the best medicine. Whenever you feel low, watching a comedy or a stand-up comedy for just 15 minutes can boost your mood immediately. Laughter helps in reducing stress and anxiety, releasing happy dopamine, making you feel relaxed and positive. Instead of spending time on negative news or mindless scrolling, choose to watch something that makes you feel amazing. So instead of spending time on negative news or mindless scrolling, choose to watch something that makes you feel relaxed or smile. Happiness is a habit and laughing every day can keep you mentally strong and joyful. Did you see? Just 15 minutes can a big huge difference in your life. Start using these beautiful small habits your day and your life will automatically improve. If you liked this video, please comment I will use my 15 minutes wisely and please hit the like button, press the bell icon or support my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.